Revelation was not written just to scare the world. It was written to open the sky. The word revelation means unveiling, a hidden reality being pulled into view. John heard a voice behind him like a trumpet. Before John saw the end of the world, he saw the one who rules it. John fell like a dead man, but the hand of the King touched him. Then came the 7 churches, not monsters first, but warnings to the soul. Return to love, endure suffering, wake up before the light goes out. Then John saw a door standing open in heaven, and the vision moved upward. A throne appeared, surrounded by lightning, voices, thunder, and worship. 24 elders cast their crowns down, because heaven already knew who was worthy. Living creatures surrounded the throne, strange, holy, and full of worship. Then John saw a scroll, sealed with 7 seals, and no one could open it. John began to weep, because if the scroll stayed closed, the story could not move forward. Then a voice said, "Do not weep. The lion had conquered." But when John looked, he saw a lamb, victory hidden inside sacrifice. When the first seal opened, a rider came forth, conquest wearing a crown. Then came the red horse, and peace was taken from the earth. Then came the black horse, famine, scales, and the weight of human greed. Then came the pale horse, and death followed behind. The horsemen ran in terror. They revealed what broken power becomes. Then the trumpet sounded, and creation itself began to tremble. Earth, sea, rivers, and sky were shaken, not as chaos, but as warning. Because warning means there is still time to wake up. Then John saw a woman clothed in the sun, and the vision became cosmic. Dragon waited below, because behind earthly history, revelation shows a deeper world. There was war, angelic armies against the ancient serpent. Then came the beast from the sea, power rising from nations and chaos. Another beast appeared, speaking like deception and turning worship toward power. Revelation warns about allegiance, what the heart worships and what the world demands. Then John saw Babylon, a city, a system, and a symbol of pride. But Babylon does not stand forever. Every empire only borrows time. Heaven rejoiced, not because destruction was beautiful, but because evil had an ending. Then heaven opened again, and this time a rider came forth. He is called Faithful and True, and darkness does not get the final image. Then John saw the holy city descending. The ending revelation was moving toward all along. No more death, no more mourning, no more night. The King makes all things new.
Subscribe for the next episode. Revelation like nobody talks about it.